Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Settings and go straight to the keyboard configuration. This is where learned words live. Once you open on-screen keyboard and pick Gboard or Samsung keyboard, you enter the text correction area that controls predictive suggestions. Make sure to tap Text Correction or Smart Typing. That's the section with learned data and prediction toggles. You're doing this now so you can remove personalized suggestions without wiping other system settings. Keep going to clear the stored words. Once in the right screen, locate the command labeled Delete Learned Words, Clear Personal Data, or Reset Predictions. Wording varies by keyboard. You'll tap it, read the confirmation, and accept. That removes stored suggestions tied to your typing history. If you want to stop fresh learning, disable predictive text immediately after clearing. Make sure to toggle predictive text back on only if you want new suggestions generated from now on. Otherwise, leave it off to prevent relearning. You finish by testing in any app. Type a few words and watch suggestions. They should be gone. If old predictions still appear, go back and clear the keyboard app cache or uninstall updates for a deeper reset, then retry. As a fallback, switch to another keyboard app or restart the phone to force settings to refresh. If the problem continues, make sure you cleared the correct keyboard and not a secondary input method. That usually solves lingering predictive entries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.